I'd like to thank everyone for coming to the event we're having today in regards to carbon monoxide and the generous donation that we're receiving.
We had a big tragedy 6 years ago in Woodstock where a family of 4 perished because of carbon monoxide poisoning. And so in order to deal with that, I decided to introduce a bill in the legislature that would make it mandatory that every home in the province of Ontario has a working carbon monoxide detector in it. And here we are today celebrating the fact that it is now mandatory in the province of Ontario. One other thing in the bill that was, is I think very important is the fact that it created Carbon Monoxide Awareness Week to get people to recognize the dangers of carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide, if you have that in your house, it doesn't matter whether you're asleep or whether you're awake. It will get you just the same, because unless you have a detector that will tell you, your body won't tell you till it's too late.
I must tell you, I was thrilled when I was approached by the Firefighters Association when they came to me and they said, "Chief, we have an idea where we think we can help and we can work with you." And so they stepped forward, the Firefighters Association stepped forward with $2,400 worth of very, very important monitoring equipment that is going to provide our firefighters, when they enter any home, any structure, anywhere they go in our community, it is going to be monitoring the environment around them all the time. You know, the biggest challenge with carbon monoxide is it's odorless, it's colorless, it's invisible, right? You can't smell it. And the other thing about carbon monoxide is it's cumulative. So if you get a little bit of an exposure today, and a little bit of an exposure tomorrow, it continues to build in your system.
The Windsor Professional Firefighters Association decided to get involved in this. It happened with an incident that was outside of our area, but firefighters responded to a home. In the home there was a family, and one of the family members were laying on the floor, and the wife, it was a husband, the wife was doing CPR on him. The firefighters walked into the house, had no idea they were getting exposed to CO. After a period of time, everyone started feeling ill. They went to the hospital. We wanted to avoid that same situation. We never wanted to allow that situation to occur in Windsor. So the firefighters decided to commit to purchasing some portable units. The portable units are attached to the medical bags. The importance is Windsor firefighters have been involved in advanced medical response since the early 90s. We provide a service to the public, and we're very proud of that. Making it a little bit safer for all of us. We walk into the buildings, homes. 80% of all CO emergencies, whether emergencies or death in Ontario, are in the home. So we need to do something to effectively change that for those homes without CO alarms. And because it's a new bill, people still don't have the message yet, and they're going to get the message. They need to install CO alarms.